Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to the viewers on onespotmedia.com. One man has been taken in for questioning following the shooting death of a pregnant woman and the injuring of 4 other family members in Orange Bay, Portland today. Dead is 24-year-old Kimberly Baugh from a Portland address. TVJ's Kelisha Williams has that story.
24 years old and 5 months pregnant. This is Kimberly Baugh, shot dead by gunmen. On Sunday, a woman in tears after receiving the news of Miss Baugh's death. The yellow tape around this bar shows where she met her untimely demise. It comes hours after gunshots rang out from the facility.
About 3 a.m. today, the 1st of July 2018, in the Orange Bay community, patrons who attended a party which ended about 1:30 a.m. were in the process of cleaning up when 3 men walked onto the venue and opened gunfire, hitting 5 persons who were present. 2 persons were robbed of their cell phones.
Kimberly's mother, her brother, and 3 other family members were also injured.
All the victims were taken to the Onato Bay Hospital, where Kimberly Baugh, a 24-year-old unemployed of Orange Bay, was pronounced dead. All the victims, except for 1, were treated and released. However, the victim that is still admitted is said to be in a stable condition.
One resident who declined to appear on camera reacted to the incident. He's urging the police to increase patrols at bars and other entertainment venues.
Police have to work no hard, action, work night and day, can't sleep. The police would power work and know. Well, at night time, certain things African, because we have to support yourself and things like that, So all the police have to do those, stand beside me. And the street very often, And then you go local like bar and the place the police have to visit and,
In the meantime, head of operations at the Portland Police Division, Assistant Superintendent Troyville Horton, says 1 person has been taken into custody in relation to the incident. He pointed out that there are a number of theories surrounding the tragedy. However, he could not confirm reports that the incident was as a result of a domestic dispute. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.